Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya Nair and today I'm thrilled to reveal a teaser of a lovely project by the Assets Group called the Assets Canvas and Co. As you can see, I'm right here standing in front of the marketing office of this lovely property. This property is located in the Begur village, Begur Road. And this property is all set to redefine luxury living with its stunning lake-facing apartments and world-class amenities. So come on in, let's go have a look at the property. And in this video, we will be discussing the project overview, location, the amenities, the flat configuration and the booking process. And now coming to the project overview, the Assets Canvas & Co, which is a project by the Assets Group, is located in the prime location residential area in South Bangalore. This property is located across 17 acres of premium residential space, and this property will be constructed in 2 phases, and it also consists of about 7 towers, and each of these 7 towers boasts of 3 and 4 BHK luxury premium residences. So like I mentioned, this property will be constructed in 2 phases. That is the phase 1 and phase 2. The phase 1 is spread across 8 acres consisting of 4 towers, and the phase 2 is spread across 9 acres consisting of 3 towers. So these 7 towers will consist of a basement, ground floor and 26 floors. And these towers will give you a nice exclusive view of the Begur Lake, and these apartments are also Vastu compliant. The Assets Canvas & Co by the Assets Group is strategically positioned in such a way that it's one of the key prime locations in South Bangalore, located in the Begur Road. As you can see, this property gives you a good seamless connectivity to many key destinations, which includes the Nice Road, which is 200 meters away, NH 44 1-minute drive away, metro station within 2 kilometers, Electronic City, HSR layout and Koramangala easy access, Infosys, Silkboard and Narayana Hospital, all within a 10 minutes distance. The Assets Canvas & Co boasts of some of the most interesting world-class amenities. Yes, you heard that right. The Assets & Co has a world-class state-of-the-art clubhouse. It has a cricket stadium. It has 5 acres of lush green park, children's play area, state-of-the-art gym, yoga and meditation zones, a lot more. So this was a teaser of the Assets Canvas & Co. You can click on the link below and book a free site visit with our team today, and the team will also assist you with the pricing and payment options available, the exclusive launch offers available, and you can also download the e-brochure with all the details about the project by clicking on the link below. And our NRI clients also, please do not worry, you can reach out to our team and avail all the exclusive offers that are available. And now coming to the launch offers, the clients who are interested in the project and will be booking early can avail exciting launch offers and discounts which will last only for a limited time period. If you like this property and want to see more such interesting properties, we at Housey will be back again with some exclusive offers and interesting properties. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.